A lot of education companies are only online based, and so we really wanted something that was small, that was tailored to, stylists in a way that we could be hands-on with each person, kind of addressing their needs. And so we knew that stylists coming in were going to be beginners. Either they had only very limited knowledge, or they had no knowledge at all. And so we knew that we needed to do hands-on with stylists. Hands-on is really where you can tackle a new technique.
We really just want to bring education not only to the stylists in our salon, but really just any stylist who wants to grow in the industry. That's what we want personally, and it is kind of hard to find good education that will push you in that direction, and so we realized if we can provide it, we want to. Another thing that was super important for us was making sure that the atmosphere was really comfortable and that all of the people who come to the class have the ability and want to ask questions. And then we're also kind of walking around as the day goes so that for those shyer ones who didn't necessarily want to ask the question in front of everyone, have the chance to talk to us one-on-one. And I feel like that's something that really sets us apart.
We have a lot of stylists, whether it's locally or out of town, that are doing extensions that have maybe taken a class that was 3 different methods in an 8-hour time or 5-hour time, or maybe they had taken some YouTube lessons, something like that, and they were doing extensions on clients, and the clients were paying a lot of money for it, and they just didn't feel 100% confident. We can help with that. We can help advance other stylists' education. We can help them, whether they have taken a class or whether they're new to extensions, to get better, do more customization for extensions so that their clients feel 100% confident.
And two, we build our relationships with our students, and I've had a lot of former students reach out to me with questions over the last several months, and that makes me feel good. Like, they really feel comfortable around us, and they know that they can trust us for advice. Basically, we came to the realization that we're not perfect, and we want to continue educating ourselves, but there's nothing wrong with sharing what we know with the people that are surrounding us in this area and anywhere. We're willing to share what we know with anyone, and honestly, having someone that's hungry for knowledge come in and want to learn from us, it's so exciting. It motivates us to want to learn more and be better.